Ah yes, cool math games, a source of entertainment for any elementary school student. But today, I'm returning to this computer lab savior and picking out a game to speedrun. I chose one of my personal favorites, Last Horizon. It's a space game about going to the other side of the universe using wonky space physics. And so, like that, I started my first attempt. Okay, a few things that I want to look out for is 1. Dying, 2. Going into the orbits of planets, because when you go into the orbits of planets, there's a weird thing that happens where you can actually use the gravitational pull to sometimes get a speed boost. It's pretty precise, but it's kind of an exploit of the game's physics, and I'm gonna try to use it the best I can. It's kind of hard. You have to get pretty close to the surface of the actual planet, and landing like this to get materials is going to be a huge time waster. So we have to wait to get all the materials. The material that we want to look out for the most is fuel, because that's how we move around, and in speedruns, moving is important. Oh, okay, that moon was booking it. I don't know how that even happened. How does a moon get knocked out of orbit? That's not a thing that happens. Let's try to land this. Nailed it. Not a single scratch. The sun's gravity is pulling me in. I'm gonna try to land. No, I'm being sucked in. No! I don't want to go into a big flaming ball of gas. No. That was a good orbit boost. Oh, that's a black hole. That's a black hole. Oh, no, it's futile. I didn't see it. It blended in with space. I don't know how I let that happen. No. Who put that moon there? That wasn't supposed to be there. That's not my fault. That's that moon's fault. So in the beginning, we just sorta head straight for a little while, and I think I'm learning a sort of pattern of all the planets. So I'm realizing what planet that we want to land on. Not this one. Yeah, look at that. If you look at the numbers in the bottom right, right now it's hard to see because we're on like a snow planet, but you can actually see the stats of the ship and the stats of the planet. You can see the stats of the planet that we're looking at, actually. Not the ship. Yeah, sentient, no, not sentient, life on another planet. It's the scientific find of the 21st century, blah blah blah, nobody cares. Black hole, go around it. Okay, we're out of fuel. We have to use oxygen for fuel right now, so we have to land really fast. Oh, crap. Okay. We can't land in the water, because then our ship will start taking damage and eventually die. Wait, no, we were blacking out because we were running out of oxygen, but then we landed in the water. That got us some fuel and oxygen. And then we could get out to get back on. What a save. Holy cow. We don't have a lot of fuel, but we are surviving. And surviving is my favorite pastime. I think I spend most of my time doing it. So really, that's a plus. That's a very, very cool thing that's happening. I do have to mind the pull of the sun right there, because it has a strong gravity. That is human remains, and we could rescue them, but we are being timed, so we can't really do that. This, however, we can land on, and hopefully, I think this will be our last planet that we have to land on. The alien planet. And, okay. See, look at that. This planet, all alien planets have, like, tons of resources, but we left right as an asteroid, like, meteor shower was happening. Okay. Please, yes, ahead, my destination. No, don't go straight into a mountain. That would be bad. We are not messing up at the very last second. Yes! The first speedrun of Last Horizon. Perhaps, the first speedrun of any Cool Math Games game. Pretty cool.